Are you looking for a high quality essential oil? Gya Labs has you covered. And they just sent me their Patchouli essential oil, and I am so thrilled they did. Let's get into it. Now, I love Gya Labs as they are a well-loved and well-known brand for high-quality natural essential oils. As soon as I took the plastic off, I could start smelling the patchouli. I love it. Here is the patchouli itself, comes in this great glass bottle. Now, patchouli is actually part of the mint family, which always surprises me as the smell doesn't remind me of mint at all. It's very earthy, it's a very grounding smell. And I prefer to use it for aromatherapy in my diffuser to give myself a calming space. And it smells exactly as I want it to. Really calm, woodsy, inviting smell. You can put this in a carrier oil and use it for massage or skincare or to make your own perfume. Really fantastic essential oil. Now, the box itself is really simple and lovely. It shows right here that these are natural oils. The only ingredient is the oil. And they have some other recommendations for uses too. The oil itself comes in this great glass bottle, little dropper on top. And you can see the oil right there. Good thick oil, really, really nice, wonderful smell. Gya Labs has an essential oil for everyone. Find the right one for you.